We continue to put up-and-coming artists on the spotlight, and for the rest of the year, we are here to actually bring that talent that's, you know, magero gandi muhudu gandi gutigo on the spotlight. Good Malawi should also know that we have hidden talents that need to be put on the spotlight. And of course, if you want to be part of the spotlight, visit our Facebook page, Fresh on Zodiac, Palipin post, follow the instructions, and you already know. As long as you qualify for what we are looking for. And this is a spotlight, and of course today I have the beautiful Omega Bebetsa. So I'm pretty sure if this was a show and
Really?
Yeah. I mean, that's how they introduce you to my show. Yeah. Omega Bebetsa, and then people are like, yeah. Just tell me, how has 2026 been for you so far?
2026, it has been a very good year for me, this anami, because in 2026 in this Zikachitika. So I'm so happy today I'm here.
Yeah.
This is part of 2026.
Yes. And we are happy to be part of that journey. Yeah. All right. Ndemwina, can you just tell me, you released an album, meaning 2026, apart from the interview, of course. It has 4 songs.
Yeah. Okay.
Tell us more about the EP.
So we dropped an EP in January. By 30 January. We did not do my videos. So the EP is Bruised by Breathing. Many people can find it on all social media platforms, YouTube, but they are audios only.
Yeah.
And my visualizers, really video visualizers. Yeah. So this EP, it talks more about myself. Yeah,
I was about to ask Kuri, why Bruised by Breathing? Yeah.
It talks about myself. All these years in my music journey, it has been tough for me, but we're still breathing. We're still doing this.
Yeah.
So in the EP, it's talking about the things that the first song.
Yeah.
It talks about some of the things is many madusamo. These are the things but I just chose not to listen because I was young. Yeah. You know, like how did you kukula? You know, that kind of a thing. And being a girl. So these are the things that so it only talks about me, we're not in the model. That's the actual song.
Yeah.
But I mean the second song, it's Ndalama. Ndalama is a song that they know how it is. So to me, in 2025, I was going through the hardest time of my year. I was so depressed. So so when I popped into the studio and started writing, Cindy nalembe ngati no thinking amena alinga ngongole. Nalemba nyimbo ya best zina ntona ndiyankula. Time in malinga ngongole because nobody understood what I was going through. You know, it was the toughest year of my life, 2025. So that is Ndalama. So I'm but the actual concept of the song dinalemba based on good ineyo antuzimana ndiyankula, you know.
I mean, people don't play around with their money.
No, they don't.
Yeah.
Okay, actually, I think because you do music, your life is quite okay.
Yeah.
It's not. We're going through a lot. You know.
The grass is not as green as it looks on the outside.
No.
Yeah.
When we come here, we have to be okay.
Yeah.
That's why I say bruised but
breathing.
Yes. So, Kenago comes Philo.
Yeah.
Philo, it's a song. I wrote it based on true story as well. People talk.
Yeah.
So, concept of Philo and Dijonchi. And today, man, not Philo. Tell me Philo because you're going to work. But then, if you are a girl or a guy, you're about to know someone. You're going on dates. Do you
know that person?
Those are files. My receipt. You know? So and how many we receipt Olamena ntamena maguziwa mwina anavaa ngalina wage kukangamba kucheza, you know, this kind of a thing.
Yeah.
So Philo talks about what people say outside about me. About somebody like me.
Yeah.
Because me, I do music. Ndi manena nkani zimene. Wina waga amena madusa muzimene madusa ineyo can understand me better.
Yeah.
You know, I don't just write music basi to have fun
Yeah.
and all that. Yes, there are times in matakulimba out of
just for fun, yeah.
Yes, but most of the times my concept are based on real
life stories.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that's Philo.
Okay.
So when you hear Philo, it's that. Now, Usiku
Umodzi, yeah.
That's my favorite song.
Okay.
I got emotional when recording that song. Hey, nah. I remember Sawadilo saying, yeah, you some people saw it as I was in a synchrony to go to the moon. So Usiku Umodzi, it was fun writing because I think I did this entire EP for about 2 weeks to Banga EP. Why?
Okay, Usiku Umodzi makes sense.
No, I'm somebody that is super active in Usiku.
Yeah.
Masana, not really. Madzulo, I'm super active.
Yeah.
If I'm writing something or doing what mabanga kwambili Usiku. So Usiku Umodzi, it's a song that talks about there are certain decisions imene ndina abanga. Nangurengera tuna nakeli moti. So naiga Usiku Umodzi mena kuti kumwa kuja mwina ndikanangokana. You know now there's this thing going on unena tatika na mabida kumwa kuja you drink and then the guys tell you let me go drop you off. They come up with so many things, you end up being kumalo kuja. So mafuna go you woke up in the morning so unalikala
intoxicated and then like you're regretting your decisions. Kuri, what if I had just slept at home?
Until na they will find kuri mina inalijabe sleepover, a harmless sleepover. Now 3 months down the line, ndi
a baby boy, baby girl, yeah.
You know, that's what that's the thing. So that's what Usiku Umodzi is all about. So it's not just a matter of good decisions where some decisions that you took. And Usiku Umodzi basi ningojoka kwatu ndingorere because they got drunk and then anaganzota ndipeze courage ninyamuke, but they're regretting that. So that's this. The whole entire EP.
Yeah.
Yes, it talks about that. It's a story of myself sharing it to somebody who's like me. Because I'm a fosa. You know, most artists will hide many things. And I don't hide a lot. I just keep some things private. I'm a baby mama. Not a baby mama. Not a baby mama. No, I'm a mother of 2.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think being a mother and doing music, it has been very hard.
Yeah.
Because to do a mini Malawi.
Exactly.
So that's why everything that's in that EP, it's about me. Speaking to another girl like me. I mean, it's going through that. To tell them, Goody, I'm here. I'll tell you. Yeah? Kunena Woody, 2026 na miamba.
Okay.
I'm no longer depressed.
Okay.
I'm healing. Healing just fine.
She is just breathing and cruising nicely.
I'm doing music again. Going back in the studio in the next 2 weeks. Because of a holiday because we released something.
Yeah, I mean,
you know,
maybe we should expect an album.
I know right now I'm dropping my
singles. Yeah.
Yes. Komano, I want to tell somebody out there, I'm still breathing because the entire Omega Bebetsa, the brand, I'm the CEO. I manage that. Yes, I have managers as well, but then I deal with this. So if I can do this, you know, come up with something and the team works with me, meaning to say, I still want to do this thing.
Okay. All right. Now let's dive into how you started your musical career. When did you realize, Kuri Ineo, I can sing, I can actually do this thing?
Being raised by pastors.
So you're a pastor's kid? Yeah,
being raised by pastors. Right now they're apostles. It's something you find yourself in Sunday school.
Yeah.
You know? So it's a thing at Maimba. But me now, it's 2015. So I was singing, no more singing. Praise team, also. I've always wanted to do music, not as just me Wimba. It was me wanting to study music. So mom knew. Akasema is a school, don't be it music school. That's what they always wanted, because that's what I told them. Koma kwamba nokuimba kula studio nalo wa 2015. And it was a crazy one.
Yeah.
Yonena kuti ndikuperekeza munthu semapiro kaimba. And ndikuperekeza munthu amuzoti aimbe. So atamuzoti aimbe mawena on number ndingamuza banja. Kuti mawu amati uimba ndi awo. Anthu aja ndikundimva, ana ina dotolo ndikundimva. So this is what we're gonna do. Iwe taimba apa, fama oyu safunika. Ndamaliza kuimba. The producer said, "You have a beautiful voice." Ine mkwanga kuti inazini maimba my sister wangu. Because I knew I can sing, I have the voice.
Yeah.
But nice on akako basi ndikulemba nyimbo. But I've always been somebody, I mean, if you find my notes kabena yani ni malemba kwambiri ngani.
Yeah.
So whatever I'm thinking, I write it down. But kulemba nyimbo bwino nice anadziwe. So my sister used to do that. I'm like, sister wanga mabanga nini zabwere. Atabwa sister wanga nkundiva. Kwa sister wanga kalimba nyimbo, akailemba manzodi wemba verse 2.
Yeah.
Kabena wemba verse 1. Kena kutamba maimbo. 2017, that's when I went to the studio. Ndikukaa basi 2017 ndikulemba Heartbreak song.
Inatuluka nyimbo imene?
Nyimbo inatuluka, but then you know zakali Zodiak tusa nyimbo, you just share on WhatsApp.
And then basi zata.
But
can we find it? Mwina rifuse jonja. I went to listen to that very first song.
Of course, now it's just that because we're having a problem, my subscription I was in district yeah. So the songs were taken down. Some of my old songs.
Yeah.
So we are working on that. It was there. I had uploaded it, couldn't Mumvera. That is the good times we had. So that was my first song. The journey of music, it's not just having the voice. Yeah. It's also understanding what do you want to do with music. What the music in the genre. Fabulous studio.
Okay, so let me just ask for you, what's music to you?
Music, I would put it like this: music is a business.
Okay.
It's a business, meaning it needs a passion to be there. It needs you to work hard. It needs you also to understand.
Yeah.
So music ilingati jonchi. Ndili mango. I have to know the mango wakwafuna ndani. Because by mango achizungu, ndi mango
achikuda alokolo.
Alokolo. I have to know my market. I have to know okay. Ne mango anga ndili nawo. Mena kuonekera. You know? I'll give an example so inayabwino. Mango mwemeri majali kapita kusika. Amasiana ntengo, ndi munthu amene akugulitsa muchipipo. Amasiana so ntengo ndi munthu amene akugulitsa ku airport. So how you package mango aja? Nimero wangiso ndi anthu azikugula. So music one, we know dziwe kuti how can I package this? What is music? You as an artist, you have to know your rights as a musician. Because ambili we are waiting on abwere ndipeze management nditukule. So it's like ndinde mango koma ndikudikilira ma customer abwere. Because my manager is my account ndi ma customers amene akuona nokuti if we package this very well, tikagulitsa. Same way anthu onena kuti ali ndi mashopu akulu amakagula kwa alimi. Kwaja ndikapanga
my profit. Package it properly and
so
then
this is what management does. It comes to you, gets what you have, package it for people now to understand it better. In the many music. So you as an artist, you have to understand. I sing amapiano, I sing Afro house, I can sing even dancehall. I'm like that. But at the same time, I also have to understand. Voice yanga, imaruka kunokuti. Komaso, audience yanga nditiyo. Because the same way, ndita wimba Afro, ndikuka audience yojepa. One is, so what is my target? Do I want to be famous or I want to bring an impact? To me, music, it's just a leverage to be the voice of Malawi.
Yeah, basi. Zinazo iwewe wasukupanga nawo.
Me, okay, tizikanganyirana kuti ndikufuna ndichuke.
That's not you.
That's not me. Me, I want to bring impact. I will be so happy to know that 5 girls are out there continuing music because anandimva. I've been a bag because they are looking at me and say, if she's a mother of 2, how is she managing? I think I can also manage. That's what I want. I can make music and listen millions of people, and then viralilo, off they go.
But then, I mean, when it comes to, you know, females in the music industry, it's rare we see Woody, a female, pushing another female in the music industry. It's always beef, left, right, and center. Kabena iya kuti kaya jani comparisons from Mumvera and Onerafe.
The comparison mostly comes from Mumvera and Onera, not Ifeo.
Yeah.
Because if you remember musically, they want a team. They want an ego color now. If you ask my artist they want friends. They want to be with people because industry modes. Mafamu zuzana. Pagudivaja, I think waguramadeli. Pagudivaja timadeli. Pagudivaja tideli. You understand? Same way they run a business. Not it's a business. Mena muzimuzana. Mageti panova sewenda. Uzana azima bila uzambia. Ama uzana tu. Mabezo de alo seru ose same community ama bila ose uzambia. Ama tengana saga mata. Same way azima funika. Kwa majimajili kandijana. Now our audience remember ribanga way.
Yeah.
People will tell you you're better than this one, you're better than this. But now you also have to understand dealing industry, if you're having management, they wouldn't want to waste money on you. And then artist an artist is somebody steals ideas.
Yeah.
Polish them up. That's an artist for you. You understand? So if I'm with you, talking, getting to learn you, according to maybe I'll do better than you.
Yeah.
So it's that most of the time. The audience, now the people you're working with, they don't want you to associate Dan to them because they know you end up sharing your secrets. To me, I always say the room is just too big. And to
Malawi ndi wang'ono.
No, Malawi ndo wankulu. Malawi ndo wankulu kunena jonchi kuti tosefedeta kukwana. Menda nenela, we are all selling different things.
Yeah.
We are all singing Afro kumayosiana. We are having a different message to share and having a different vision when it comes to music. All of us, we are unique. I'll tell you, I listen. I listen to Malawian music.
Yeah.
You know, I see there is talent in Malawi. But now, ugazango kani mentality jone na we were to hit nani sondi to hit.
Yeah.
That's where the problem is. I stopped going to the studio and thinking of creating a hit.
Okay. All right. Now let's talk about Ndajira and Deka. I think you released Deka before Ndajira.
Yes.
Yes. When did you know that? I think Ineo have come to the spotlight. Between Deka and Ndajira, which song brought you out to Malawians?
Deka.
Deka.
Work.
Yeah.
Because I remember when I posted Deka. My views because people they look at the impact to my views.
Yeah.
I'll tell you this. I got known with Deka. Deka made me to have a lot of people working with me. My music artist, being around the 50 billion gang and all that. Deka made me bagila now Tamba. The Tambaya Dreamers album, that's Deka. Not
yeah.
So Deka inandibasa platform ya iguluso because I then had to perform what do you call this? Zodiak to Main Festival because of Deka. I performed many places because of Deka. So Deka was a song when I was dropping it. I started doing music in 2015.
Yeah.
Ndine nyimbo zambili zone na widi anambia mama ndidziwa. They know that I have a lot of songs.
Yeah.
And I write every day. That's the weirdest part. Nimalemba kwambili daily. So Deka botuluta to us it wasn't fun one hit. It was just us releasing a song. And it did its wonders. So the funniest thing is, Deka, Ndajira, it gave me a community.
Yeah. But then I think I understand, because listening to Marili Xandashira, I'm like, bueno, now you need a heartbreak. Like, make it make sense.
That gave me a community.
Yeah.
Now I have people. I mean, in my and my fans. You understand? I mean, indeed now. Ndajira is a song many denying, but in a way, you know, I was having a conversation with a friend. One of nyimbo zanga zambili menda nina. It's based on me. We were talking about that. So a friend is like, ineo, mamuna you amendu banga inediri. Apa mani kapita road. Sandi mpita phone. So you understand where we are going through that. And then I saw a post on TikTok, but ndajira mpaza nikazo kusi you and reggae. I'm like, oh, she's not the only one now. You know, so I mixed it up with Nodin Dajira, the person Mamuna, the heartbreak. Meaning to say, there are some girls, I mean, in their minds, Kukaraba, in a peaceful relationship, you simply have, you ni mama vile wakunde wa.
Hata jora muzindi menya, sema kundi menya sende kumpa mwino.
So kundi kalivile pajani, baby, you know, they're not happy. So that's it. So Deka did the wonders, your spotlight. Dajila gave me a community.
All right. So now you mentioned you're a mother. You also host social weekends.
Yes.
And you're also a music artist. I'm pretty sure we're not, aware of. Yeah. How do you juggle all this in your plate? Hosting it was zigutega, music zigutega, motherhood zigutega, and everything else that's in the pot.
Okay, so one, the main I would understand yourself. What do I want? Who am I? So if I say a lot of things I do, and Hamadaba, I can sing, I can host, not just events, social weekends and all that. I can also teach in church.
Okay. Rich.
You know, and I have a team of mothers that I'm working with under my brand. I'm working with people that are teen mothers, young moms. So this, we call it Diaries of a Young Mom. We'll be starting to have a podcast of it, Diaries of a Young Mom.
Okay, so at the end of the day, it's all about understanding yourself.
Yeah, I understood myself so much. Like I said,
okay. So, and then there's us that can sleep in the afternoon.
I don't sleep in the afternoon. I sleep because Mazulo, this is the time
your brain becomes active.
Yes, I study music. I study code management in Banji. I study Mario design in Banji. I have studied a lot of things. So I'm also studying myself as well. How do I communicate? How can I balance? So I'm saying, I'm a mother. I have a home as well. Not just being a mother. I have a home. I have somebody to take care of at home.
Okay. All right. Now let's talk about, you had the People's Choice Challenge.
Yes.
How did that go?
Okay, so like I said, 2025 was, if I've ever went through challenges, 2025 was that one.
Yeah.
I'll tell you this, every delay, it's God trying to teach you something. So God was trying to teach me how to understand myself, and I should understand how things work for me.
Yeah.
So nabanga challenge of 3 songs that on the Vurosini did well, and we're about to shoot a video for that one.
Okay, we can't wait for that video. We can't wait.
You know, so Vurosini did well, and I have performed Vurosini because what I was doing is to figure out, okay, we have done a TikTok challenge, a Facebook challenge, social media, but now let's see with audience. So I performed the songs because December. So what I did was in November, after the challenge, but it crashed for me. Things crashed. I was having money issues, journey, everything was just going sideways, you know. And then when I got myself back, I started getting myself back in December because so I had a couple of managers, in Malawi, I went they're doing well, and had a conversation with them, and they told me their experience and journey. So I came up with an idea. I'm not going to drop a song. What I'll do is I'll keep the face.
Yeah.
So I did a tour. imene sinapange phokoso. I went to many universities. You know, artists ukamayimbo mafuna bendalama.
Yeah.
I'll tell you, December isenda ayenda. Sina ndalama. All the shows you saw me doing, sina ndalama. I did them for free. I was selling myself. So what I did, sell myself. The next thing I did, drop an EP. So I'm happy they expected me when I'm dropping.
Yeah.
No, to me my EP is a catalog of what I can do. So when you go like, who's Omega Bebetsa? Oh, this is what she can do.
Yeah.
Yes. Now we're gonna drop now a video a minute. Yes.
She is back with a bang. Okay. EP video. I feel we're waiting for that video. And now can you just tell me now, Kuti, you do Afro, you do Amapiano. I think you pretty much started with Amapiano. Wagamba so you can do dance. Ugazibangaredi. Which genre do you think, Kuti, you're good at?
Okay, I'll say this. Amapiano gave me the spotlight, but Afro, I have a conversation. I ndimabanga click ni muntu. So when it comes to club, Amapiano does me well.
Yeah.
When it comes to me sticking in your head, Afro does the magic.
Yeah.
So Afro, it's because I'm telling a story. But mene Amapiano, these are songs mene antumango.
That's just for the vibe.
For the vibe.
Yeah.
Vibe because that tabasiru.
That tab also.
So I would say I'm really good at writing Afro songs. You know?
Okay.
Because I'll have a story.
Yeah.
I always have a story.
So should we expect more of Afro this year?
Yeah, this year I expect. Because Vodosine is an Afro song.
Yeah.
Expect them.
Okay, we are here waiting for it. Now, can you just tell me, Mwina, some of the challenges that you're faced being an up-and-coming artist and a female in the industry?
The challenge I've faced in Yonena Gudi, music, it's one of the expensive journey I chose to take. I think this thing is quite expensive.
Yeah.
Because Panova studios are expensive. People are no longer want to work for you for free.
Yeah.
People are tired of trying to push artists. Me one ni lazima if we are not consistent.
Yeah.
So I was with my producer. They have seen the talent. When you don't see it. So at over, it's better you come, you pay, off you go. You understand? So music now has become expensive because Malawi watugiga maso. My music videos banova siningango jambula for the sake of kujambula.
Yeah.
It's being expensive, you know. This is the biggest challenge I would say. Kunena gudi, it involves a lot. It involves a lot of time, patience. I want to make things happen anyway.
Yeah.
The challenge I've had is learning how to wait.
Having the patience.
That one is the biggest challenge I've had. The second challenge is me being a pastor's kid and doing music.
Yeah.
Malawi, we are in a country many people expect you for the Manabusa, Zimba, gospel. I sing in church. I'm a worshiper at church. Me singing secular, it's not good in the church. I'm very active at church.
Yeah.
I'll tell you, everything I do, I submit it to God. Yeah. But the community in this is many manina.
Exactly.
The goodest thing is my parents accepted me and they support me one bit. So these were the biggest challenge because people come in. I'm not in section kujarimazi one. You know, people are telling me I'm short. I already know I'm short. I remember the other thing in Makano now, the negative response.
Yeah.
That is the biggest challenge you would meet as a woman. As a man, you might get my emotions.
Yeah.
So our emotions will be doing their things, you know. But then to me, let me focus on the positive side because all of this they're saying actually is
yeah.
If they say my dressing is on. They saw me in a club, that's true. I was with illusions in Magaimba. You know? So why should I be mad at that? So on Friday you saw me with illusions. Kavena
Church.
Monday when we given Monday. Nagabanga form.
And then people are like, yeah, what did you know duty? Choose a side.
No, it's me and my music. Ngati audience yanga bezeka kumene gogo. I can't say no. Now the challenge mina ina mamene mabwera ndipona kuti uvomereze kuna kuti chimona amba kuimbayo. Kumanga kuitane audience kwina. Sikumene membekezera kupira.
Yeah.
Because me now I'm finding myself in a club.
Okay. Okay.
The other challenge now is people, every artist among mpeze wankulu aliyesa kuuza nzeru zake. Aliyesa amakuuza kuti nyimbo imene
trying to show you could have been in the game for the longest time.
Nyimbo imene suma ino imba choncho. You understand? Aliyesa ali ndi khutu lake. Komanso where you have to understand pena zimaunena ziyandizoona. So akuuza nyimbo ti atuluka kale upanga bwa. Because you're like, oh, you are good than but now they're giving you an idea. Do it like this.
Yeah.
They are teaching you. Because school is 100% unless Antana gana bado niziru za choncho. Koma yena nafungo kogela guys. You know, so ando fungo kogela fe. TNT zikogela. Those negative comments.
Yeah.
They build you.
Yeah.
You know, these are the challenges I've met. And zinazo ndimemo makali sitingani kuti chifaro mavuto nde anali mavula hai mavula akulu ndomwewa mavula akulu ena makaya kuti as an upcoming artist you think could every big artist would want to work with you just because they have said that's a beautiful song you think every big artist is the one that can take you there no tima raiza mosiana so destiny again
Lizosiana. All right. Now let's like take it easy a little bit, yeah? I have some questions just to, yeah. All right, let's start with you have been in music for like some time now. Komano, what are some of your dream collaborations, or which people would you like to collaborate with in the music industry?
My biggest dream collaboration was working with Zeze. You? So you know who gave me that one was my son. My first son loves Zeze so much and he'll come and say, Ama, mzaimbendi Zeze. Ama, mzaimbendi Zeze. So Zeze in Malawi was my biggest. And thank God we did.
Okay.
Even though the song is not yet out.
But we're waiting for it. I'm pretty sure it's a banger.
It's a song that he posted later. I think last year he posted Mabodza.
Okay.
Mabodza is a song that I did with him in the upcoming album. Yes. Working with Driemo was my biggest inspiration. Yeah. Because I just didn't work on him on the album. I worked on him. I learned a lot of things from him. One of the good artists as well. Amado Limba. So he was trying to put me there as Limba. Don't think of competing. Yeah. You know. And this guy reads a lot. That's why I know. The artist that I would want to work with?
Yes.
Your Maps.
Okay.
Your Maps have always been
Your Maps. I mean, he just did a collaboration with Zeze, so maybe you pretty have a chance of, nobody knows.
Your Maps. My favorite.
Okay. All right. Now, what's one track that is making you vibe right now?
Mine or Twin?
Any.
Right now, I'm vibing to Jen. I'm still stuck to Season Antole.
Season Antole. She wants to flip my head away.
Malo did a great job.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like I said, if you check my playlist, Daba, I listen to every Malawian song.
Yeah. Okay. And maybe if you could perform at any festival, which one would it be and why?
I have already done Tumaini. What are the biggest festival we are having?
I mean, we have Vagina Beerland, we have Vagina Sand Festival, we have Vagina Lake of Stars. We pretty much have my festivals.
I think to me, Beerland would do.
Yeah.
because of the type of music that I do. So Bialan to me would be a banger.
Okay. Bieland, make sure you're listening. All right. And if your music was a smell, what would it be and why?
He's asking somebody about a smell. Mundola is asthmatic. Guys.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I think I should have asked in advance.
In advance.
Godi, do you do this smell thing or not?
Because, yeah, I'm asthmatic. But
Yeah.
then I would say, if it was a smell, I would prefer a natural smells, a vanilla smell, because vanilla scent is, it's smooth. It's smooth. It doesn't sting.
Yeah.
It's smooth. So my music, it's smooth. You don't sing. It'll be smooth. It'll work in your head, and if you want it to stay, it will stay.
Yeah.
So it doesn't force itself to stay. That's a vanilla scent. It doesn't force itself. But we invent too.
It's smelling nice in here.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. We have Miss Vanilla right here. And maybe is Omega Bebetsa your real name?
My real name is Omega.
Okay.
Bebetsa is just, me trying to Bebetsa my one.
So it's Omega who?
Omega Peace Mikuti.
All right, Miss Mikuti. And maybe as we're going towards the end, what advice would you give to a younger you that's going into the music industry?
I would tell them, Ganena, really continue what you're doing. Don't give up. My challenge is where you have chosen an expensive industry. Somebody wanted to get as if things are always like that. Depression is gonna come, rejection is there, all of these delays are there. But I always say delay is not denial. Learn. Don't be fast in thinking of wouldn't the true get the bange hit. If you be fast on thinking wouldn't the bange hit, ugabanga hit, direction you saw we now. Now you don't know where to go. But I'll tell you this out there, know that you got this. Do it in a proper way. Learn. Panova AI ndali mtu mapuzira zambiri. ChatGPT is there. Search what you want to learn. Learn, understand music. Kutindijani. And then continue. Trust the baby steps anyways. Also tamangira utamanga.
All right. And lastly, words to your fans.
My fans, I always tell them, Amaziwa, I love them so much.
You are pretty. You are handsome.
Pretty, you are handsome. I love you the way you are. I don't want you to change. I love whatever you told me because that's what builds me. And I love you being part of my community and being part of this journey because the music, it's there for you guys to listen. And Mumvera, I love that.
All right, guys, we've heard it all from Omega Bebetsa. This year, she's coming with more Afro. So, yeah, if you want the amapiano side of her, illusions, we should go pat. But this has been Spotlight, and I have been Alina Fechunga. And just to remind you, if you would like to be part of the Spotlight, we have a poster app on Fresh on Zodiak. Just go Facebook page here too. You're going to find the pin post. Follow the instructions, and we shall do the deliberations to see if you qualify for, the Spotlight. And of course, until next time, it's goodbye.
Bye-bye.